Try this if your keyboard's typing all weird. You might have the wrong language selected in Windows 11. The fix is easy. Go to Settings, Time and Language, Language and Region. Next to your language, hit the 3 dots, then head into Language Options and add a keyboard to pick the one that you need. Oh, and a bonus tip, to flip between layouts anytime, just hit Windows plus spacebar. Found this useful? Hit like and connect for more unmissable tech tips.